Ballet, Barre, Pliés, Cecchetti Ballet, Grade 3 Syllabus Course, Jacklyn Dougherty. All exercise at the barre start and finish with arms in fifth en basse. Phase front, one hand on the barre, fifth position, right foot front. Combination, counts 1 to 2, introduction. Place one hand on the barre. Tendu on count 3, tendu to second and carry arms to demi-second, eyes looking slightly diagonal to the center. On count 4, lower the heel in second, close arms to fifth en basse, look to the front. On counts 1 to 4, 2 demi-pliés. The arms remain in fifth en basse. On the count 5, lift arms to fifth en avant. The head inclines towards the barre. On count 6, open arms to second. Use the head as in first port-de-bras. On count 7, tendu to second position with right foot front. On count 8, close in first. The arms to fifth en basse and the head is erect. To be shown in first, second, and fifth devant and derrière. Finish in fifth devant. Right side. Left side. For more information, please visit JacklynDougherty.com. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.